Namaskaram. In today's class, we are going to discuss some sample 2-mark questions from Python list. First, we will see how to do left shift and right shift in Python. See the question. Write a function L shift, then two arguments num and n, which accepts a list num of numbers and n is a numeric value by which all elements of the list are shifted to left. Here a list is given as argument num and a numeric value n, which indicates how many times we need to shift. See the sample input data. If the list num is like this and the value of n is 2, then output will be like this. See how it came? This is our original list. Here we need to shift twice. Shifting left means move the elements in that list to left. So after completing the first shift, the list will be like this: 20, 30, 40, 12, 11, then 50. That is, the list moved to left and the first element becomes the last element. Then if you shift again, this 20 will be moved to here. Okay, this is how this output came. This program you can do using loop also, but in Python it is simple if you use slicing. We will see how to do this program using slicing. We will discuss the concept using this example. See this list and index. Here what we need is move this part to the first and this part to the end. Once again, here the value of n is 2. So first two elements move to the last. Then these remaining elements move to first. So we need to slice this list into two. In our output, first we need this part, that is first slicing. Then at the end we need this part, second slicing. Okay, how to slice this part? Index starts from 2. So num, then start value 2. Then what about the n value? Here it is up to the last value. So no need of giving n value or stop value. Okay. So if you give 2 colon for slicing, you will get 30, 40, 12, 11. This much portion. Then to slice this first part, what you have to give? Num list. Then what is the start value? It starts from the first element. So no need to give the start value. Then colon. Then what will be the stop value? We need first two elements. That is up to index 1. So we need to give the stop value as 2. If you give stop value 2, it will extract up to index 1. So what you will get? 15, 20. Okay. Then we need to add these two lists. You will get the result as like this. Okay. So num of n colon extract the values from index n to the last value. Then num of colon n will extract the values from index 0 to n minus 1. That is, if the value of n is 3, you will get the output like this: 40, 12, 11, then 15, 20, 30. Okay. Then let us write the function. Def, then function name L shift, arguments num, list num, then n, number of shift. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to slice the list num into 2. So first slice L1 num of starting from index n to last element. Then second slice L2 equal to num of starting from first element onwards, that is from 0th index. So no need to give the start value. Then n value n. When you give n, it will extract up to n minus 1. That is, if it is 3, it will extract The elements at index 0, 1 and 2. If it is 2, 0 and 1. Okay. Then add L1 and L2. Store the result in num itself. Num equal to. Okay. Then print num. See, here I have stored these two slices in two variables. You can do this without using these variables also. Directly you can give these two slices here like this. Then no need of these two statements. Clear? When n equal to 2, first slice 30, 40, 12, 11 and second slice 15, 20. Result you will get like this. Okay, I will show you the result also. Num equal to same list. Then call the function LShift. The arguments num and number of shift. To execute. See the result. Okay. Shifted thrice.